Hi, I'm Dave. Today, we're going to learn how to pronounce regular past tense verbs in English. Regular past tense verbs end in ed. But did you know that there are 3 different ways to pronounce ed? First, let's look at the T sound. We use this sound when the verb ends in these voiceless sounds, P, K, S, F, and CH. For example, work becomes worked, help becomes helped, and watch becomes watched. Listen to the T sound at the end. Next, we have the D sound. We use this sound when the verb ends in these voiced sounds, B, G, L, V, Z, Y, and all the vowel sounds. For example, play becomes played, love becomes loved, and call becomes called. Listen to the D sound at the end. Finally, we have the D sound. We use this sound when the verb ends in T or D. For example, visit becomes visited, start becomes started, and need becomes needed. Listen to the D sound at the end. Let's review. T for voiceless sounds, D for voiced sounds, and D for verbs ending in T or D. Now you try to say these verbs in the past tense. Ask, laugh, miss. Let's try some more. Say these verbs in the past tense: play, call, lived. And finally, these verbs: visit, start, need. Great job! Now you know how to pronounce regular past tense verbs. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. See you next time.
If you have found this video helpful, then remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on British language terms.